A very good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Once again, Abhishek Raj back here with the daily updates. Let's go ahead and quickly take a look on how equity markets should behave today and what you should be expecting, plus how you should plan your investments. So there are lots of good news with the markets. Number one, let's take a look at the fund flow. FIIs purchased a good amount of 1134 crores. DII selling has reduced approximately 380 crores only. 160 crore index futures were sold by FIIs. Now let's take a look at the options part. 1042 crore options were bought. Most probably these were the short calls that would have been purchased in yesterday's session. Plus stock futures were bought, small amount, 38 crores. Stock options were bought, 13 crores only, not any significant number. But if you look at the cash portion, the overall FII and DII combined together, it gives us a sum of more than 800 crores, approximately 800 crores of buying. Now, two things to note. Number one, whenever derivatives are being sold, derivatives are normally segments which is used for short-term movements. However, deliveries that we buy, deliveries that we sell, usually we have a longer-term prospect. So even if you look at the other sell figures, buying figure of the cash is more important. AGR news is yet to come, but again, there is no negativity expected to come. As of now, we are bullish with cautious approach on the markets. Now let's take a quick look at Nifty. If you take a look at the chart of Nifty, it is making a good ascending pattern with breakout in yesterday's session. 20 DMA acted as a support on which Nifty did test, but again, it didn't close below that. 20 DMA placed around 11,170, 50 around 10,770, 100 DMA 9963, 200 DMA 10,087. If you take a look at the green 100 DMA, it's now making a U curve, which means the 100 DMA is now coming towards the upward territory, which is a good sign. On Bank Nifty front, it was good. Bank Nifty closed above 20 days moving average yesterday. It did break out. It would be very significant to see if it sustains above 22,300 levels. No clarity yet on AGR, but nothing negative is expected too. On the indicators front, RSED and RSI and MACD are neutral to negative. So a little bit of divergence is there, but overall chart structure looks great. So I would suggest don't think of short selling. For buying, if you wish, you may do a little waiting or for the AGR news to come in or any news. As of now, it looks like markets are not factoring in anything with coronavirus. COVID is a history now, and markets are more of positive towards the opening of the entire markets. Now, this is how you should actually plan your trades. Volatility is negative, which is perfect. Nifty most likely to test 11,400 to 500 range. So that is going to be the range, 11,000 to 11,500 for this month. And in case 11,600 is broken and sustained, we could be headed for a new upward territory altogether. That's above 12,000 mark, and could be we would be waiting to see new all-time highs as well. In banking space, you should stay hedged unless and until AGR news comes in. Rest, it's a perfect scenario. There is no problem. Buy on dips. Metals are bullish. We have been bullish on metals for quite some time. That looks great. Nifty Energy looks making a base above 20 days moving average. So you should buy with strict stop losses. I would suggest you to ask for trades on the real-time market basis. IT looks into pressure mainly due to the dollar correction that's happening. So I would suggest in IT space, keep a watch and keep accumulating good quality stocks like Infosys, Larsen & Toubro, Infotech, Tech Mahindra, Mindtree. Accumulate these stocks on dips. Pharma, I would say avoid for now. Auto index is buy with Maruti, Bajaj Auto, Hero Motor Corporation, Mahindra and Mahindra going to be the top pick. So that would be all in today's session. Do subscribe to the channel. Click on the notification icon. Stay updated. Stay tuned. I keep sharing my views on the market, the comments on the markets, and all these stocks that should give you great returns. So that would be all in this session. Thank you so much for watching. Abhishek Raj signing off. Stay healthy. Stay wealthy.